Hi, Neera.
Hi, did I wake you up?
No, I've been up, yeah, most of the night. If stalemate continues, yeah.
Yeah, listen, the
Hmm.
thing is that they
Hmm.
need to talk to him directly. That's what the problem is.
Apparently now, the message from the other side is
Mm,
that why did Balu go public? They
mm,
claim that at this point when they had offered them this formula and these guys said no,
mm.
these guys never told them that we're going to withdraw support. I'm not withdraw support, outside
Suppose
support.
I'm outside, huh?
Huh. So apparently PM's really pissed off that they went public.
But that's Balu's doing, huh? He
That's
didn't, he was
Balu's
not
doing. Yeah.
instructed by Karunanidhi to do that,
Oh,
actually. He
he
got
wasn't.
everybody. He was told to come away and tell Congress that.
And he went
And,
public and this
well,
has
the
really pissed him off.
media was standing outside.
Oh God. So now what? What should I tell them? Tell me,
You
what
see,
should I tell
look,
them?
I'll tell you what it is. The
Huh,
problem, and I've had a long chat with both his wife and with the daughter,
huh,
right? Just
huh,
giving you
huh.
very. The problem is that if Congress has a problem with Balu, if they have a
Yeah,
problem with anyone, they need to go and talk to Karunanidhi. They have very good relationship with Karunanidhi directly.
correct. Huh.
They see because in front of Balu, in front of Raja, in front of Maran, they can't talk.
Yeah,
So they
yeah.
have to tell him directly. There are enough Congress leaders of Tamil Nadu who
Hmm.
they need to go and tell him exactly. The biggest problem is that the following of Aragiri
Huh.
is saying that you cannot give Maran a cabinet post and keep Aragiri in the MOS
That's
status.
right. That's right.
Right?
But will Karuna drop Balu?
Look, if you tell him that Balu is the only problem, I would imagine he will drop him.
But you see, the problem right now is also over choice of portfolios, no?
No, they're not said anything. Their portfolios have not even got discussed.
Congress claims, for
Huh.
whatever it's worth, that DMK wanted surface transport, power, IT, telecom, railways, and health.
वो तो पहले
Congress,
से लिस्ट गया था. हाँ,
acha,
that was yeah.
abhi Congress has offered IT, telecom,
Hmm.
what is it called, and fertilizers,
And labor.
and labor.
हाँ.
Hmm. So this is where it stands now. Will DMK accept those?
Maybe not because they have to drop Maran if you want them to be accept because Maran is pushing coal and mines.
Who's pushing?
Now Maran is saying, you
We
give me
give
coal
all
and
my
mines.
mind. Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Hmm.
You
Okay.
see, my honest advice to
Yeah.
is that you tell them
Huh.
that they need to tell him
Speak to him
directly
directly.
that we are happy because Kani is got no issue about even being an independent.
Yeah.
But Aragir is now telling her that
Huh.
you cannot take an independent charge if Maran remains cabinet minister.
I see. I see.
And Congress is sending messages through media and through various
Huh.
sources saying
Huh.
that, and Maran is going on telling everyone that
Huh.
he is the only acceptable person.
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It,
That I
it,
know. Huh.
yeah, but that's not correct, na?
No, I know. We've taken that off. We've
No,
taken that off.
but also, but the Congress needs to tell Karunanidhi that we have not said anything about Maran.
Okay. Let me talk to them again.
Yeah, the choice of candidate we will leave to you. We have some reservation about Balu,
Yeah.
and let them tell the reservation, and we have not said anything about Maran. We are not asking